Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to draw a rotated rectangle on TradingView. Open the TradingView and load your desired chart. On the left toolbar, find the Shapes section. Click on it to open the drop-down menu and select Rotated Rectangle. If not immediately visible, you can access it by clicking on Rectangle and then choose the rotated version. Click on the chart where you want to start drawing the rectangle. Drag your mouse from the desired size and position. You can rotate the rectangle freely by dragging the rotation handle. That appears near the center of the rectangle. Rotate it to fit the area you wish to highlight. After drawing the rectangle, click on it and drag any of the corner or edge points to resize or reposition the rectangle to the exact area of interest. To rotate it again, just click and drag the rotation handle. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.